Hi guys, Tony here from Ancel. Today I'm going to show you how this S3000 Ancel smoke detector can be a really handy tool for you in the workshop. I just recently purchased this and it's already coming into tuition here with a leak in the turbo system. Basically what you're looking at here is when you press this button here, the compressor inside this, which means you don't need an air line, which is handy for on the road diagnosis or if you're not close by. But when you press this, you hear the little compressor kicking. What that's doing is, if it was a sealed system, for example, if I take this off, hold that, the compressor will build pressure and you'll see the leak size come down into the bottom. Okay. The more leak that you have, the more the ball will lift to the point where that's a complete leak. Okay, so before you use your smoke meter part, you can use this just to test to see if you're holding pressure in something. Okay, so I've put the baffle part, switch this off, put this baffle part in here in the air intake, and I'll show you that after. I don't want to take it out now because I want to show you how it works. But basically there's a ball here that primes it up and that fills this void and closes it off to the rest of the circulation. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our smoke into here and we'll see if we have a sealed turbo system. Good turbo system at the minute should be building pressure, and you can see here we've got an absolute monster leak and it won't build the pressure here. So the next thing is, with the baby oil on, put in the smoke, just sit back and wait. Okay, did take a couple of minutes. Obviously a lot of pipe work here, the intake through the turbo, through the intercooler, but just be patient, keep an eye out. Right, this car came in with an air mass algorithm issue and a DPF problem, but I believe the air mass is annoying DPF, so I'm hoping if I find the leak then we can fix the DPF fault. Okay, so hopefully you're catching that on camera. The smoke is just, get a slightly better light in here. The smoke is coming down here in this turbo pipe. Try and focus in on it. Hopefully you can see it on camera. Just coming out of there nice and gradually, and it will build and build and build. Now what I done was I was able to put my hand on the bottom of the pipe. I can actually feel a big rip in the bottom of the boost pipe there. So just down in here, there's your turbo boost pipe there, and right underneath there's a split all the way along the side of it. I'm gonna squeeze that pipe there. You can actually accentuate the amount of smoke coming out of it there. So to be honest with you, a real fantastic little tool. I've only used it today. I bought it specifically for this job. Had an inkling that turbo pipe was away, but I had been watching reviews and stuff online, and I thought to myself, no, this is something I need. But look at that, perfect, ideal for any type of exhaust leak, evap leak, vacuum hoses, anything like that there. Okay, and it runs off baby oil. It's easy to replenish. As I said, this particular one, no need for an air line because I've actually got its own wee built-in compressor. So really tiny wee tool, easy kept in the van, okay, or in the toolbox. All you do is just plug the hose in and you've got your power supply. Just bridge it onto the battery terminal there. and away you go. Okay, this was £170 I think off Amazon or eBay. Delivered in a couple of days. Maybe put a link in the description for ways to help us out. Alright, but now we just have the fun job of replacing that pipe. Okay, so I'll just show this wee baffle. Release the pressure here. I'll let the smoke out. Alright, so here you just prime that up, and that'll fill turbo pipe, exhaust system, and then you just release the pressure. In the kit as well, we also have